The white is definitely beautiful this year. Type C on the bottom. Big difference compared to the 15 Pro series for sure. All right, next up, we're going to unbox the natural titanium. And now natural titanium was first introduced last year. I'm pleasantly surprised that Apple is bringing back the natural titanium, but here it is. It's the same natural titanium that you know and love. And let's peel off the sticker. Everything included in the box, just your Type C, no Apple stickers. I can't believe it. I like this for cases, so if you have like any color case, it's gonna look stunning with it. And comparing that to the 15 Pro natural titanium, I would say it's about the same. Maybe it might be a little bit more. Nah, it's exactly the same. Who am I kidding? It's exactly the same. I was going to say it looks a little different on the 16. The 15 natural titanium is about the same. It might be a little lighter, as you can see on the reflections.